Take honey with turmeric over 50. What really happens in just 7 days? More than 50% of adults over 50 seek natural ways to support their health, but are they aware of the incredible synergy between honey and turmeric? This potent combination not only adds delightful flavor to your day but also offers a host of remarkable health benefits, from enhancing immune function to soothing inflammation. Have you ever wondered how beneficial honey can be and why turmeric is so advantageous for health? Now imagine combining honey with turmeric. What happens? Which diseases can be quickly alleviated with this powerful mix, and how should it be prepared and consumed correctly? These are some of the questions we will answer in this video. But first, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, we greatly appreciate it. I've spent extensive time delving into research to bring you the most accurate and helpful insights. In this video, we'll uncover the amazing benefits and critical factors to consider when incorporating honey and turmeric into your diet, helping you make the best choices for your health. Turmeric's golden benefits. Why has turmeric been hailed for centuries as a golden remedy, especially for those over 50? This vibrant spice offers unique health benefits that are especially valuable as we age. One primary reason is its extraordinary anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often the root cause of many chronic conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. Turmeric, derived from the same plant family as ginger, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. This gives turmeric its bright yellow color and is responsible for many of its positive effects on the body, including improved immunity, better circulation, and reduced inflammation. Additionally, it's rich in antioxidants that help protect your body from the damaging effects of oxidative stress, one of the main contributors to aging. As we age, maintaining brain health becomes increasingly important, and turmeric can be a great ally here. It has been shown to enhance cognitive function and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin helps increase levels of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, essential for neuron regeneration and overall brain health. If turmeric isn't already a staple in your kitchen, now is the time to add this golden spice to your daily routine for its remarkable health benefits. Honey, a sweet boost for your health. Honey has been treasured in natural medicine for centuries, and for good reason. This natural sweetener offers far more than just great taste, especially for those over 50. Its immune-boosting properties make it a fantastic addition to your wellness regimen, as it's packed with antioxidants along with antibacterial and antiviral properties. Honey helps fortify your immune defenses, which is crucial as we age and our immune systems naturally weaken. But honey's benefits don't stop there. It also provides a quick and sustained energy boost without causing spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a better alternative to refined sugars. Additionally, honey is a natural prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting better digestion. This helps reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and maintain a healthy digestive system. If honey isn't already part of your diet, now's the time to start incorporating this natural elixir into your meals. The power of honey and turmeric combined. What makes the combination of honey and turmeric so special? When these two ingredients come together, they create a potent natural remedy that amplifies the benefits of each. This mixture is especially effective for fighting respiratory infections, reducing inflammation, and strengthening the immune system. The antioxidant synergy between honey and turmeric helps neutralize harmful free radicals, which play a role in aging and disease development. Honey adds soothing and healing properties, making this combination a powerful tool for protecting your cells and maintaining vitality as you age. Incorporating honey and turmeric into your daily routine isn't just about flavor, it's about giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Immune system support. When it comes to boosting your immune system, few combinations are as effective as honey and turmeric. Together, they provide a range of immune-boosting benefits that help keep you healthy, especially as you age. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and pathogen-fighting properties work hand in hand with honey's antibacterial and antiviral actions, creating a robust defense against infections. This combination also has anti-allergic effects, helping to minimize allergic reactions. With its antifungal properties, honey with turmeric can also prevent candida overgrowth, a common fungal issue. Plus, it helps reduce fevers and flush out toxins, making it a must-have for maintaining overall well-being. Promoting digestive health. A healthy digestive system is key to feeling your best, and honey and turmeric can significantly improve gut health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help balance your gut flora, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful ones. This can enhance digestion, reduce bloating, and ensure optimal nutrient absorption. Honey, being a natural prebiotic, works in harmony with turmeric to nourish good bacteria and soothe your digestive tract. Together, they promote regularity and make your digestive system more efficient. Radiant skin from the inside out. Honey and turmeric are not only great for your inner health, they also work wonders for your skin. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce redness, soothe irritation, and even out skin tone. At the same time, honey hydrates and nourishes your skin, keeping it soft, supple, and glowing. Together, these two ingredients can help you maintain youthful, radiant skin well into your golden years. How to prepare honey and turmeric for maximum benefits. Ready to incorporate this powerful mix into your life? Here's a simple recipe. 1/3 cup of honey, about 100 grams. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, about 10 grams. Mix these two ingredients well and store the blend in a glass container in your fridge. For maximum absorption, add a pinch of black pepper when you consume it, as this helps the body absorb curcumin more effectively. For immune-boosting benefits, take 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the mixture daily. You can dissolve it in warm water, add it to tea, or even drizzle it over your meals. To fight off a cold, start with 1 teaspoon every hour on the first day, and gradually reduce the frequency over the next few days. Potential risks to consider. While honey and turmeric offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of any risks. Turmeric may cause digestive discomfort or interact with blood thinners, so check with your doctor if you're on medication. Honey, being a natural sugar, should also be consumed in moderation, especially for those managing blood sugar levels or weight. People with allergies to honey or turmeric, or those with certain digestive issues like ulcers, should avoid this mix. And if you're pregnant, turmeric could raise blood pressure, so it's best to consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. When used in moderation, honey and turmeric can provide a multitude of health benefits, from supporting your immune system and gut health to promoting healthy aging and glowing skin. By making this natural remedy a part of your daily routine, you're setting yourself up for better vitality and resilience as you age. Want to feel the difference yourself? Give this powerful duo a try and see how much better you feel after just 7 days. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.